Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. Can you believe it's already that magical time of year again? The air is getting colder, the scent of cinnamon and pine is in the air, and there's a certain sparkle everywhere you look. One of my favorite things about this time of year is getting to decorate my home and make it extra special for the holidays. So if you're ready to sprinkle some Christmas magic into your home this year, stick around. In this video, I'm sharing some of my favorite Christmas decor ideas, from DIY projects to easy styling tips. Y'all, nothing says Christmas quite like a beautiful wreath welcoming you and your guests to your home. First things first, you'll need a sturdy wire wreath frame as the base. Now for the fun part, gathering your greenery. I love using a mix of fresh evergreen branches, cedar, pine, fir, anything that speaks to you. Don't be afraid to add some texture with things like pine cones, berry sprigs, and even dried seed pods. To attach everything to the frame, you can use floral wire or even hot glue. Just take small sections of your greenery and wrap them securely onto the frame, layering as you go. A simple burlap ribbon always looks classic and rustic, or you can dress it up with a festive velvet bow. And there you have it, a beautiful handcrafted wreath to welcome the Christmas spirit to your doorstep. Now let's move on to creating a centerpiece that will make your holiday table the heart of the home. Start with a base. It could be a rustic wooden tray, a vintage silver platter, or even a simple glass hurricane vase. Add some height and drama with candles. I love using a mix of pillar candles and taper candles in different heights and finishes for a layered look. White candles always create a classic Christmas feel, but you can also find beautiful candles in shades of red, green, or even metallics to match your decor. Layer in some greenery. You can use leftover sprigs from your wreath making or pick up some fresh eucalyptus or cedar from the grocery store. To finish it off, add in some festive elements. Think pine cones, ornaments, jingle bells, or even some faux cranberries scattered around the base. You can even tuck in a few family heirloom ornaments for a personal touch. And there you have it, a stunning centerpiece to bring warmth and joy to your holiday table. Alright y'all, let's talk about the fireplace mantle because, let's be honest, it's the star of the show during the holidays. First things first, let's add some greenery. A lush garland draped across the mantle instantly adds that festive touch. Next, let's hang those stockings with care. Whether you prefer classic knit stockings, personalized ones with your family's names, or even some fun and funky ones, the mantle is the perfect spot to display them. Now comes the fun part, adding those extra special touches. I love to layer in some vintage Christmas figurines, mercury glass candle holders, or even a framed family photo for a personal touch. You can also add some height and dimension with stacked books and decorative bowls filled with ornaments or pine cones. And of course, no fireplace mantle is complete without the warm glow of candlelight. I love to scatter a few pillar candles of different heights along the mantle for a cozy and inviting ambience. There you have it, a beautifully decorated mantle to bring holiday cheer to your home. Now let's talk about the heart of every Christmas home, the Christmas tree. Choose a color scheme that speaks to you. Classic red and green, gold and silver, or winter wonderland. Start with the lights. Wrap lights around every branch. Next, add ornaments. Mix store-bought and handmade ornaments. Mix different textures and sizes. Add ribbon or garland. Drape it horizontally or vertically. Finally, the tree topper. Star, angel, or personalized topper. And there you have it, a beautifully decorated Christmas tree. Now let's take the Christmas cheer outside and create a magical outdoor light display that will make your home the envy of the neighborhood. First things first, safety first. Make sure you're using outdoor rated lights and extension cords. Choose from classic white lights, colorful strands, or twinkling icicle lights. Get creative with your light placement. Outline your roofline, wrap columns, or create a twinkling pathway. Light up your yard trees for a magical touch. Add a spotlight for a dazzling display. Enjoy the festive glow and spread the holiday cheer. Let's head back inside and add some cozy touches to your living spaces with festive throw pillows. Start by swapping out your everyday throw pillows for ones in festive colors and patterns. Think rich reds, emerald greens, wintry blues, and sparkling golds. Don't be afraid to mix and match different textures and patterns. A cozy knit pillow paired with a velvet one and a plaid one can create a warm and inviting look. And don't forget about those fun and festive shapes. Think stars, Christmas trees, or even reindeer antlers. Place your holiday throw pillows on sofas, armchairs, and even beds to add a touch of Christmas cheer throughout your home. You can even create a cozy reading nook by piling up some pillows on the floor in front of the fireplace. There you have it, a simple and effective way to bring festive flair and cozy comfort to your living spaces. Enjoy the warmth and cheer of your beautifully decorated home. Garlands are one of my favourite ways to bring the Christmas spirit into every corner of my home. You can drape garlands across mantels, wrap them around banisters, or even hang them above doorways for a festive touch. For a rustic look, try a garland made from natural elements like pine cones, berries, and evergreen branches. If you're feeling crafty, you can even make your own garland. One of my favourite DIY garland ideas is to string together popcorn and cranberries for a classic and charming look. You can even add in some dried orange slices for a pop of colour and a subtle citrus scent. Another fun idea is to create a paper chain garland. This is a great activity to do with kids, and you can customise the colours and patterns to match your decor. Simply cut strips of paper and loop them together to create a chain, then hang it up around your home for a festive touch. Don't forget about your windows. They're like the eyes of your home, and decorating them for Christmas is a wonderful way to spread cheer both inside and outside. One of the easiest ways to add some holiday cheer to your windows is with festive window clings. You can find them in a variety of designs, from snowflakes and reindeer to Santa Claus and his sleigh. For a more traditional look, try hanging paper snowflakes from your window frames. You can find pre-made snowflakes at most craft stores, or you can cut your own out of white paper. Another fun option is to create a winter wonderland scene on your windows using window markers. These markers are specially designed to write on glass, and they come in a variety of colours. You can draw snowflakes, snowmen, Christmas trees, or anything else that inspires you. There you have it, a simple and fun way to spread holiday cheer from within your home. Enjoy the festive decorations and the joy they bring. Now let's talk about one of my favourite Christmas traditions, the Advent calendar. It's a fun and festive way to count down the days leading up to Christmas, and it's a tradition that kids and adults alike can enjoy. You can find Advent calendars in all shapes and sizes, but I love the idea of creating a personalised one that reflects your family's interests and traditions. One fun idea is to use small gift bags or boxes and decorate them with numbers from 1 to 24. Fill each bag or box with a small treat, activity, or note of appreciation. Another fun idea is to create a reusable Advent calendar that you can use year after year. You can find wooden Advent calendars with drawers or pockets that you can fill with treats. Or you can even get creative and make your own using materials like fabric, felt, or paper. There you have it, a fun and festive way to count down to Christmas with joy. Enjoy the excitement and anticipation of the holiday season. Finally, let's talk about the power of scent in creating a warm and inviting Christmas atmosphere. One of my favourite ways to fill my home with Christmas scents is with candles. There's just something so cosy and inviting about the warm glow of candlelight and the subtle fragrance filling the air. When it comes to choosing Christmas scents, there are so many delicious options. For a classic Christmas aroma, you can't go wrong with scents like pine, cinnamon, and clove. If you prefer something a little sweeter and fruitier, try scents like cranberry, pomegranate, or even sugar plum. These scents add a touch of sweetness and cheer to the air, and they're perfect for creating a festive atmosphere for holiday gatherings. There you have it, a simple and effective way to fill your home with holiday spirit. Enjoy the warm and inviting atmosphere of your beautifully scented home. Thank you so much for joining me on this festive journey through some of my favourite Christmas decorating ideas. I hope you feel inspired to add some warmth, cheer, and maybe even a little bit of that Christmas magic to your own homes this holiday season. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more home decor inspiration, DIY projects, and lifestyle tips. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new uploads. From my home to yours, I wish you a very Merry Christmas filled with love, laughter, and the joy of the season. Happy decorating, y'all.